right, princess. This time, Mario's got a cake for you. You got a boy. So you win the blue box. Let's see what you've won. Candies! You've hit the jackpot. Oh, hey, watch your step. Ugh, I think it's stuck. Well, I guess if the gummy bear fits, wear it. Now let's dip it inside some pink chocolate. And nonpareils, the glitter of the candy world.
Wow!
These shoes look good enough to eat. So have a bite. Will you save me a heel? Ah, cotton candy. So fluffy, so delicious, but not so good in water. Hey, what's that? No wonder it's so fluffy. It's full of secrets. Mostly cute animals with squishy bottoms. And it tastes great too.
Wow!
Look, Mario, your very own castle. Now he knows what it's like to be a Goomba. Looks like new digs for the Gummy Worms. How about we make things warm and toasty for you? Wow, that really brought them all together. Let's clean you off. Aw, he's even got the stash. But let's hope he still tastes like a gummy. This doll is all dressed up and ready to go. Guess I jinxed it. Well, it's okay. I'm sure we can whip something new up. Let's start with a simple wrap for the top. Now for the bottom. Let's make you a skirt. I guess you like the long style.
Wow!
But if you prefer short, we can fix that. Oh, so many toilets. Good thing there's a plumber in the house. Ugh. How about we start with a clean lollipop? Let's try all 3 flavors. Now take a lick. And remember, it's okay to double dip. I mean, they're your toilets. Or you can enjoy right from the source. Marshmallows are so yummy, but unfortunately, I don't eat anything with a face. Hey, wait a second. Well, he sure makes for a familiar-looking kebab. But after a nice little chocolate bath, you wouldn't even recognize him. Our little friends sure do make a nice bouquet. Honestly, a fruit salad has never looked better. Strawberry pencils are already great. But here's a fun way to twist it up. Literally, twist it up with other flavors. Now for a black coating. Some candy rice. Some candy salmon. And it's candy sushi. Slice it up. It's all in the presentation. And enjoy. Delicious cream filling. Hey, what was that? I think something or someone is under the blanket. Must be Grandma. She's got hand candy. And it's the cream-flavored kind. Looks like there's enough to go around. Whoops, I guess she doesn't think so. Well, do we have a treat for her? squishy toys are so much fun. Just don't push your luck. Oh, it's okay. We can fill them back up again. Just give them some air. Blow them up. This time, let's use all different candies and sweets. Now for some juice to help wash it all down. Ooh, it's all sealed up. Let's get squishing! Of course, we can't let all those treats go to waste. One of these things is not like the others. That's more like it. They should be safe to bite now. Good thing they aren't jawbreakers. Ooh, bubble gum. This has potential. So, who's up for a little badminton? Gesundheit. Wow, you really are what you eat. Save some sprinkles. Now, melt up some hard candies. And then drizzle it all on top. We need to fill up the mold. Add a stick before it hardens. And you've got a fancy new lollipop. For extra fancy, nothing beats a chocolate dip. But remember, the real secret ingredient is love. Sweet stuff. Catch you next time. Is there such a thing as too much candy? Nah. While you're here, don't miss our bonus episode at the end. Something tells me to open this box. Oh, it's all sticky. Wait a minute. The lock is chocolate. Oh, we can just eat it. Look at all these snacks. Let's just hope she didn't fill up on that lock. Wow, candy makers must really be into toilet humor. On the plus side, it comes with dip for your lollipop. Great idea. Let's try all three at once. Make that 4. Just can't beat chocolate sauce. And look at that. You can even eat the toilet, too. Vroom, vroom. We're making a candy delivery. Wow, and this machine grabs candy for you. Just fill it up, close the lid, and pick the candy you want. Want a bite? Good thing these aren't jawbreakers. It's so small, your pets could play with it. Hey, pick your own. A baby doll? Well, it's fun, but I was expecting candy. And there it is. Wow, a chocolate bath! Spas must charge extra for that. Of course, you can't forget the toppings. Oh good, we're not eating the baby. We've got marshmallows. Looks like we're not done dipping lollipops either. Ooh, a banana. Yeah, something healthy before we eat more candy. So cute! A giant gummy bear! Ooh, he's one tough cookie. Gummy. Whatever. I think a little heat should soften him up. Nice and liquidy. Now take a stick or two and wrap it up. It's like a giant gummy drumstick. Wow, this robot holds your lollipop for you. But more importantly, It holds it for you when you want to put it down.
Wow.
Always enjoy candy with a friend. Or two. Jelly bean soccer. Finally, we need more candy-themed sports. And it looks like we've already got our coach for the big game. Now, we can't start this game without jelly beans. Pour them in. We're ready for the big kickoff. Goal! Goal, 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 goal! Now, coach, come on, collect your prize. Ow! Oh no, quick, put that tooth in milk. Is this soccer or hockey? A rose. Oh, how romantic. No, don't eat it. You just pair flowers with candy. Luckily, we already have plenty of candy, too. We just need to melt them down and mix it up. Told you you're supposed to pair flowers with candy. Just remember, you're still not supposed to eat the rose. We need to do something about those not-so-pearly whites. There's something off about this toothpaste. Guess you don't exactly need the brush. Good thing, too, you can dig into all these different flavors. Wow, they just won't stop trying to reinvent the lollipop.
Wow.
Are you sure that's the part that goes in your mouth? You don't want to miss out on all that delicious syrup. And the toppings. This girl loves her toppings. If this thing dispenses candy, you're always a winner. You need a match to win, but it's not like it asks for quarters or anything. We're gonna make it rain. Candy, that is.
Phew.
It still looks good. Just wipe off the hair. I know sushi's raw, but that fish looks a little too fresh. Can't forget our soy sauce and wasabi. Though they're probably a little sweeter than usual. Either that or she really likes things spicy. There's probably a market for candy sushi on conveyor belts. Ah, soda. A tried and true classic. Wait, what are you doing? I get that she needed the bottle, but I could have used some soda. Wow, a nice chocolate cone. Let's add some nuts. Hey, do you want some ice cream with all that whipped cream? Of course, anything as delicious as whipped cream is plenty. All these treats, it's so hard to choose what's next. This one's a little hard to figure out. But at least it tastes all right. It's like it's coming out of its brain. Oh, so that's why they call it that. So much candy, so many delicious flavors. Bonus episode. Time to strut your stuff. Not exactly making an entrance, is she? Quick, get out the cold cream. We're gonna need it. Better yet, duct tape, the answer to all life's problems. It takes it off and helps her put it back on. Not like before, but at least it makes an impression. With these wings, she'll be a real social butterfly. Oh, this tinsel's giving her some ideas. With these clips, they're brand new highlights. As if all that purple hair wasn't already making a statement. And just like that, she's the new life of the party. Remind me to schedule her dentist appointment. Sweet stuff! Catch you next time.